YouTube fans, Ricky V here with a quick tech video. In this video, I want to talk about something I just saw on the rumor sites that I like to frequent. Supposedly, Apple's coming out with a A14 chip that they're going to put into some type of Mac computer that will be 12 cores. 12 processing cores. Wow. Now, if we take a look at the current A13 chip that's inside of the current iPhone lineup, that does about 3,000 in Geekbench 5. And we're going to double the processing cores. We're talking 6,000 potential for a Geekbench 5 score. That right there is 2010 Mac Pro level performance. Wow. That's exciting processing power for a custom chip. These are exciting times we're living in. Now, this is all speculation at this time. I don't know when, and Min Chi Kuo does have a good track record, but we don't know exactly when it's going to happen because no one knows. But when it does come out, could you imagine having that kind of performance inside of whatever it's going to be in that'll run cool and efficient like a lot of Apple's ARM chips do? Wow. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Again, it's all speculation. No one knows what's going to happen, but hey, it's cool to guess and see what could come out there and speculate about it. And as always, my YouTube fans, I trust you all learned something and enjoyed watching this video.